6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and stepwise.
My name is Julie and Mina I, and I am a professional dancer, teacher, choreographer based in London. MIPAC, the dance program, MPSA, is just brilliant. I don't know many other schools that have such an incredible program and such incredible faculty. They are, to me, family, and without them, I don't think I would be where I am in my career today. For these students to work with these incredible dancers, teachers, choreographers, they're so blessed.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then we end.
I met with a few other MPI alumni. We were saying about how much guidance and support that the MPSA dance faculty gave us just in life, the sort of skills that you learn, work as a team, learn how to dance together, move together, body language, how do we interact with each other, how to problem solve, how to think outside the box, think creatively, also physical understanding of our bodies, well-being, and also that sort of moral and individual self-confidence. That is something that the MPSA dance faculty just shares so greatly, and I think that all the students here are so blessed to be able to go, okay, I can do anything, and these people believe in me. They're giving me the chance to develop my movement language. They're giving me a chance to explore these ideas in an environment that is safe and open, but also creative. And then to keep building that confidence, to almost saying, I can conquer the world, I can do anything.